The automotive world is abuzz with excitement as Suzuki introduces its latest innovation, the 2023 Suzuki Swift Concept. This groundbreaking model aims to redefine the driving experience by seamlessly blending cutting-edge design with a commitment to the core concept of Drive&Feel. In an era where experiential consumption takes precedence over tangible features, the Swift Concept emerges as a trailblazer, not only offering exceptional design and driving capabilities, but also presenting a new dimension of joy in both car enthusiasts' lives and daily routines. The Swift Concept represents a departure from conventional automotive paradigms, shifting the focus from tangible consumption to experiential delight. By amalgamating the thrill of driving with the practicalities of daily life, Suzuki endeavors to create a vehicle that not only serves as a means of transportation but also fosters a sense of enjoyment, making each journey a memorable experience. Safety takes center stage in the 2023 Suzuki Swift Concept, showcasing Suzuki's commitment to passenger well-being. Packed with an array of advanced safety technologies, including DSBSII collision mitigation braking, AHS, adaptive headlight system, and DMS, driver monitoring system, the Swift Concept ensures a secure and confident driving experience. These features not only mitigate collisions, but also adapt to varying driving conditions, enhancing overall safety. Under the hood, the Swift Concept boasts a high-efficiency engine that strikes an impressive balance between driving performance and fuel efficiency.